Welcome to Phone Transformer. Today, we're diving into the world of navigation with a step-by-step guide on how to use the compass feature in Google Maps. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all our latest videos. Step 1. Open the Google Maps app on your device. It's your gateway to navigating the world around you. Step 2. Once the app is open, tap on your current location icon, usually found at the bottom right of the screen. This will center the map on your location. Step 3. Look for the compass icon, which should now be visible on the map screen. It's a small symbol that resembles a traditional compass needle. Step 4. Go ahead and tap that compass icon. This action will align the map to the north, giving you a better sense of direction. Step 5. Now, it's time to put it to the test. Move around with your phone in hand. As you turn and change direction, watch as the compass and the map's orientation adjust to match your movements. It's like having a digital compass that also shows your surroundings. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.